Here we will write a Python program to accept list elements and print sum of positive and negative numbers from it. So in comment line, first we will write. First we will define empty list. Then we will accept number of elements to store in the list. So int input, enter number of elements. Then we will define two variables for storing positive and negative sum and which are initialized with 0. So pnum equal to 0 and nnum equal to 0. Then we will use for loop to accept the element. So for I in range 0 to n, we will accept the element. So e equal to int input, enter element. Then we will append this element to the list. So L dot append E. Then we will check whether element is positive or negative using if statement. So if E greater than 0, we will add it to pnum. So pnum equal to pnum plus E. Else we will add it in nnum. So nnum equal to nnum plus E. Then first we will print the list. So print L and then we will print sum of positive numbers and sum of negative numbers. Then we will execute this. It will ask number of elements. I will give 6 and then I will enter the elements. First it will print list elements and then it will print sum of positive numbers and negative numbers.